What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I got this 2004 Honda Accord. If you have 2003 to 2007, even up to 2011, it's a similar procedure, same engine, AC system is the same. So 2003 to 2011, V6, V4, 2.4 liter or 3.0 liter, doesn't matter. Acura TL, TSX, doesn't matter. All of these cars, we have a problem with the AC system. So we're gonna check a few things. I want to show you what's going on. So pretty much on the driver's side, it's blowing hot air, very hot and very hot, and very cold here and very cold over there. So we do have a dual system. As you can see, we have up and down control here, up and down control here. And let's do this. Let's put the AC on. Compressor kicks in. I have my infrared gun here. This is gonna show us the temperature here. So if we check over here, it's gonna get colder. So let's check over there. It's going down because since we just put the AC on, it's gonna go down slowly, little by little. But check this out over here. You at 118, 120, and it's just going up. And it's the same thing over here. It's a little bit, okay, I got this one closed, pop this open. So the temperature is just getting higher and higher and higher and higher. And over here it's really hot, it's brutal. So the problem with my car is the blender motor, which is down here. We're gonna get to that little guy. And but I also want you to pop the hood open. And I want you to, because it could be a lot of things. It can be your AC system. Even if you check the blender motor, it could be the system itself is restricted. It could be a bad AC compressor. It could be the orifice soup. But this line is cold. That's how it's supposed to be. This line, I can. It's like warm. It's like a little bit hot, not too hot. But this one is ice cold. That's how it's supposed to be. I got water on it. You see that? But anyways, hopefully the camera picked up the water on my hand. But that thing has moisture coming up on it. But anyways, AC's working. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get inside this vehicle and we're gonna look at the blender motor. Another thing I want you to do is, okay, put the temperature up. Your temperature should get hot over here. As you can see now, temperature is rising. And if you go down, we got it on low almost. Over there it says low, and the temperature started to go down. Over here, you're at 130 degrees. Let's put the temperature, it's on low. Let's put the lead temperature up. So pretty much, it's staying about the same. It's not changing. So we know our blender motor is not working. Previously, I know for a fact, this is a personal car. The blender motor is down here. It was going click, 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 click. It was pretty much going bad. So let's shut this off. What I'm gonna do is, I wanna go get a few tools. We're gonna remove this cover, which already looks like it's loose, and we're gonna take off this little guy. This guy probably got a screw right here. We're gonna take off this cover, and we're gonna look down there. Okay, so we got our blender motor right here, guys. Right here's our blender motor. So this thing controls a lot of things. But check this out. It's been clonking before, but watch this. I'm gonna mess around with the temperature up and down. Let me see if I can find out where the hell is it at. Okay, I gotta come and look over here. So right here is our temperature control. So let's put temperature down. You hear that? It wants to work, but at the same time it doesn't want to work. So pretty much what you can do is mess around with the temperature control and bang on this guy. If it works, good. If not, you out of luck. You gotta change it. So this thing has 1, 2, and there's a bolt up there. This metal bracket will come off, and then you could even play around with the settings, and that's about it. I'm not gonna go too deep into it. I might try to adjust this guy myself, but let's see what I can do. But other than that, that's about it. All right, try to mess with the temperature and try to bang on it, and it might work. If not, you out of luck. If not, you're gonna have to change it. All right, thank you for watching, guys, and hopefully this video helps you out. So all I did was took off this little screw. There's a clip here if you have a roof, and there's a cover on the bottom. You pull that off, and that's about it. Guys, we're gonna go back a little bit. I want to show you guys what I did. I took off a screw here and a screw right there. Then I pushed the blender motor. I took off the connector, and all I did was push this guy up. We are gonna have to bring it back down because you see the gas pedal, he's gonna hit it, and this is the gas pedal, and you see the rod right there, it will hit it. So if you take this little notch, and my lighting is terrible, it's just too tight down here. So if you take this little guy, come on, lighting. So if you take this little guy and bring it down, you're gonna have a cold air. This little guy, if you have it here, if you push it more this way, it's gonna open up the heat passage. That's the valve on outside. So push it back here and put this down, and let's go take a look at the air. Got cold air, guys. So check this out. 82 degrees. 81 is going down little by little. So I got cold air right now. And we're even low down here. Over here is really low. So there you go, got good cold air coming in. The blender motor is pretty much, it's very simple to change. And when you put a blender motor in, plug it up, and it's gonna do its own setting to where it's at, and then you're gonna have to work your magic, move these around so both of these can be caught in there. But right now I'm gonna leave it as it is, and we're gonna lock it down. Not lock it down, I'm gonna just leave it loose, and I'm gonna just leave it here, and I'll put my screws back into the housing, and I'm gonna just leave it there because we got cold air. I don't want to go any further. We can't get a blender motor from anywhere. It's out of stock. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Woo!